Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Smartsheet for analytics dashboards step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Smartsheet URL www.smartsheet.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will now see the login interface. Enter your registered email address into the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you want the system to remember your login, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your Smartsheet dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Home tab on the left side of the screen. Click on Home to navigate to your project overview. From the home screen, find and select the Reports tab. Click on the Reports tab to access your analytics dashboards. Choose the specific report you want to view by clicking on it. The selected report will open, displaying your analytics dashboard. You are now logged in and able to analyze your data effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.